Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name has been every day on this channel. I show you how to make money in crypto, and I'm going to show you how to make money today. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. I have been over the last week really thinking very hard about something and the opportunity that it presents. And I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about that in this video and why this could be the thing that changes your life forever. The same way that crypto changed my life, this has the opportunity to change your life forever. But first and foremost, go Braves. How about that? Guys, what the heck, Braves last night? What an awesome game. I was there, ready to go tonight, back to the World Series. We're going to clinch here in Atlanta. It's going to be super exciting. So go Braves. Chop on. Sorry, Astros fans. I know I got a lot of people in Houston. I know you wanted me to come out and do a meetup. But I will tell you that we will be doing a Texas meetup. Maybe do it in Austin, since that's kind of like halfway in between San Antonio and Dallas and Houston. I think it's a good central location. So, but we'll start planning that when I get back from Las Vegas. So we will come out, Texas people. We love you, Texas people. We don't love the Astros, but hey, it is what it is. Listen, guys. So here's what I've been thinking about. Now, I talked to my wife the other day, and I sat her down. I lied. I didn't sit her down. She sat on her own, and I said, "Honey, do you remember when we could barely pay our bills a few years ago?" And I talked to you and I said, listen, crypto is how we're going to become millionaires. Our life will change forever. And I told her, I said, you remember that? She said, yeah. I said, what happened? She said, it happened just like you said it would. I told her this week, I said, listen, crypto is what made us millionaires. To get to billionaires, it's through the metaverse. I got a lot of people out there. I saw George make a video about the metaverse. I think Crypto Love made a video about the metaverse. George is specifically, he's got, Decentraland and Sandbox. Sandbox is the one we have a lot of property in. We love Sandbox. Decentraland, a little more of the financial cartel. So, it is what it is there. Definitely, you also have Facebook out there. But I want to say, like George talking about, pretty good coins. But I want you guys to understand that the opportunity in the metaverse, to me, in my opinion, is not investing in coins in the metaverse. Like right now, yeah, that's how you can make some short-term gains for the remainder of this bull run. Of course, like we're in a bunch of metaverse projects, Sandbox being one of them. And like I said, we've got land there. The land is more important, guys. Okay. A lot of you guys feel like you got in crypto too late. A lot of you guys feel like, let's take NFTs for instance. You got into NFTs too late. I always talk about how Crypto Stash, if you've watched his channel for years, which not many of you have because he didn't have a lot of subscribers for a long time, this guy was preaching NFTs for so long. And if you had been listening to Crypto Stash for all of the last few years, you would be a millionaire by now. For sure. There's no question about it. He was getting you in on really early NFT projects and explaining to you the importance of them. Leo is another one that's been preaching NFTs ever since I met him in San Francisco, I guess in late 2018. Even then he was telling me NFTs and gaming are the future and all this stuff. And I wasn't really listening. Because I'm not really a gamer, and the NFT thing, it kind of escaped me. It kind of was a little over my head at that time, for sure. Well, listen, I'm here to tell you, we are moving to a metaverse channel. We're obviously going to cover crypto. I mean, we're not going to stop covering crypto, but you're about to see specific shows coming out on metaverse, and not just top 5 coins you can make money on. I love to do those videos, but it's how can you leverage the metaverse in order to make money, not just investing in coins. There are going to be so many huge opportunities for you out there. Number one, first and foremost, you need to right now start researching projects in the metaverse, start looking at land prices, start looking at the goals of what these metaverse projects want to do. We're going to probably be covering at least one of these a week here pretty soon, because this is how you can do it. This is how you can change your life. You are early enough. These projects are just popping up. They're just happening. They're just starting. And you've got a killer opportunity to get in early on a lot of these projects and learn how to make money. We're going to be living in the metaverse, guys. If this is not very clear to you, we are going to be living pretty much in the metaverse. There's all kinds of new upstarts. Blocktopia, one that we work with, Evaverse. There are several out there. So many, they're hard to name at this point. but they're just popping up and they're just getting birthed. Listen, in my opinion, I think there's a strong possibility that the metaverse becomes its own thing. It's going to be built on blockchain, not all of it. Of course, the Meta by Facebook will not be built on blockchain. It will not be decentralized. We don't want to support those projects. If there are ways to make money inside of Meta, we'll show you how to do that, okay? But you're not going to get rich in a centralized metaverse, because that's where they're going to milk you like you have little teats, okay? We want decentralized where it's fair and everybody's got an opportunity. But I'm going to say this. You had the internet. You had blockchain. I feel like the metaverse is going to be so big, we're going to talk about it in its own category. Even though a lot of it is built on blockchain, and that's something we're going to see in the world, is a lot of things that are going to be built on top of blockchain, they're going to be seen as their own things, as their own entities. The biggest opportunities in crypto, I'm going to give you the biggest opportunities ever in the history of crypto. Number one, buying Bitcoin early. If you bought Bitcoin early, you're set for life. Number two, decentralized finance. If you got into those projects early, you're set for life. Number three, NFTs like CryptoPunks or the Bored Ape Yacht Club or other ones. If you got in those super early, you're pretty much set for life, okay? The metaverse is that next opportunity. This is the next opportunity where you can get set up for life. Do not take the words that I'm saying lightly, because I am now really considering, like during the bear market when people are not as interested in crypto and prices are dropping and going down, we're going full tilt at this metaverse. I'm telling you, we're going to be showing you all the ways to make money in it, how we're going to do it. We're going to make money in it. We're going to buy land. We're going to be your virtual land real estate agent here. So we're going to do everything we can to help you to get the leg up. So not only will you be prepared for the next bull run in crypto, but you can be making money now, like in the next year or two in the bear market with these metaverse projects. So super excited to really go down this journey with you guys and learn more about it myself. I don't know if I'm going to be living in the metaverse. I might be showing you all how to do it. I kind of like real life. It's crazy. I'm just kidding. This is a green screen. I'm just kidding again. It's not really. But the leaves are green. You can see the kids have done a little better job picking up back here. See our busted pitch back there. I see that thing. But I want to know what you guys think about this. I want to know what you guys think about the metaverse. Is this something that you are particularly interested in? And I want to know which projects, number one, are you invested in from a coin standpoint? Which projects are you interested in from a virtual real estate standpoint? What metaverses are you interested in from like a use and application inside of that metaverse? I want to know. And if there's new metaverse projects, I want you guys to drop those down below in the comments. We'll take a look at them. If there are some that we've missed, we certainly want to learn more about those, because this is just heating up. All right, guys, that's all I got. Go Braves. Be blessed. Good boy out.